So this is the Wuque Mini. Now I heard about this cube because Chi was promoting this cube like crazy. They kept on boasting how like the Wuque set so many world records, and now this cube will set even more world records because world records are totally the cube, not the cuber. Anyways, so here it is. This is basically just the Wuque in 60 millimeters. So sticker shades are the normal half brights. Alright, let's do the first turns. This cube versus the Wuque is almost identical to the mini Aosu versus the Aosu. So the other thing I also noticed is that the stickers are the same size as the normal Wuque stickers, so it has kind of like a full faded look. And turning reminds me a lot of the mini Aosu. It's just that it's a lot faster and a lot more fluid. But the mini Aosu is already so good that like this cube compared to that cube, it honestly isn't that big of a difference. Jeez, what am I doing right now? Now out of the box, the corner cutting isn't great. You can see it has trouble doing one piece there, and I am getting a few catches, like when I'm doing a parity algorithm. Like, yeah, like there's a few catches here and there. But what makes this cube good is first the size. I love the size, it's really manageable in my hands. And then the speed, it's a really effortless turning puzzle, which is really amazing when you're talking about a 4x4. Inner layers especially are really nice. Like the outer layers, they're not amazing, but the inner layers are actually legitimately really good. In terms of setting up this cube, I might loosen it and use the over looping method, but honestly out of the box it seems like fine. So overall, really solid cube. The performance is just really nice. I'm most likely going to be using this as my main 4x4 because all my other 4x4s aren't really that amazing right now. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.